The holidays can be a financially stressful time, and with Christmas fast approaching, here are some shopping tips to help you survive the holiday season without breaking the bank. First, create a gift list and write down everyone that you want to purchase a gift for, and then set a specific dollar amount that you would like to spend for each gift. By setting a budget, you avoid the temptation of overspending. Next, do some brainstorming and research on all the gift ideas so that you can see where you can go for each gift to get the best price. By having this list, it helps you avoid going into the store blindly and purchasing gifts at a much higher price than what you should be paying for. Second, turn on price alerts on particular items that you have your eye on so you get notified when that gift drops in price. And once again, this helps you get the best deal out there. Third, if you can't afford it, don't purchase it. It's as simple as that. If you have to wipe out your savings, go into debt, or take money out of your retirement account, just simply don't buy it. Your friends, family, and especially your financial advisors don't want to see you going into debt, especially not during the holidays. Instead, consider making some of your gifts and getting creative. It can be a lot more thoughtful and meaningful for the recipient that way as well. You can also consider spending money on experiences rather than material items, which can also be more affordable if you do your research ahead of time, and especially if it's shared with multiple people. And lastly, consider using one of the cashback apps that I talked about in my previous video to help you get some free money back on the purchases that you're already making. And I'll put the link for that video down in the description box below. My last tip is to remember what the holiday season is all about. It can be really easy to get caught up with all the holiday shopping, but let's remember the joy and the spirit of the holiday season and enjoy the time that you get to spend with your family and friends. So by having a gift list, setting a budget, and turning on those price alerts, you can easily survive the holiday season without causing financial stress. How do you plan on shopping for your holidays? I would love to know. I'm sure there's some things that I can learn from you as well. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.